Recording. Damn.
Hi, this is Rozzi instead of Dad since I filmed the video. It's about FPV wings, and the people that were here were Squishy, Zephyr, and Nate. Enjoy my video. So this is how there's the FPV.
You're gonna record the launch?
And
Count down, Rozzi.
3, 2, 1. There he goes. Here is one. Here's Dad's plane ready to fire up. And here's Zephyr flying. I want to take a video of Nate's scene. 0.
Like an OSD even scrolling across.
Here's some planes. Here they come in. Here's 2 of them. And there's the other one. Give me where one is. Didn't catch one. There's one right there. Right over us. Whoop.
I'm getting...
That was Nate. Here we go. Take a look at his plane. Right here.
Where you at, Jeff?
There. These are my stuff. That's my dad's. That stuff is my dad's.
You gonna be a YouTube star, Rozzi?
That's mine. I'm just doing this for the Flight Club. My dad wants me since this is a Flight Club video, I guess. here they go. Take a watch of the video. Let's take a video of this. I'm taking a video of your scene right over here.
I'll turn my lights on.
There, 3, 2, 1. There it goes. Woo! I'm doing a long little thing so you get the wicks. Oh, here they go. There, come on. 2 more. And zoop. And here it goes. Right next to him. Hi, this is Rozzi, and how did you like my video? If you didn't, don't hit subscribe, and if you did, do. And you can see some more of my videos.